Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So far, we have discussed about long division and its tricks. Now, we are going to start a new topic, divisibility rules and their applications. Before that, let's understand why do we need divisibility rules. Imagine you are asked to check whether 14038 is exactly divisible by 7 or not. Are you going to do long division like this? No, because long division is a time consuming task. Instead of long division, use divisibility rules to check. It saves your time and effort. So, why do we need divisibility rules? Divisibility rules help us to check whether a given number is exactly divisible by another number without doing long division. Got it? They are also helpful in finding factors and multiples, simplifying fractions, finding LCM and HCF, solving number system problems, and also in solving competitive exam problems quickly. In the next sessions, we will start learning divisibility rules from 2 to 11. So, please stay with me till the end. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.